Right, so we've reached our last bit that we need to do with straight lines. So for this one, it is, if we're given, we've got to take a formula given in the general equation, and we need to find our m and our c's. So for example, we could get given the following line. So we could get told 5x minus y plus 2 equals 0. So this one's a pretty straightforward one. So what we're doing is we're aiming towards y equals mx plus c. So to do this, we need to rearrange this a little bit. So what we've got on this side, so we need on one side of our equation to just have the y, and on the other to have everything else. So in this case, because our y is negative, it makes sense to move the y. So add the y to both sides, in which case here we're going to, when we add the y to both sides, we're going to add y over here and add y over here. So then we get 5x plus 2 is equal to y. So now it's in the form y equals mx plus c if we just write it around the other way. Y equals 5x plus 2. So we can say therefore, that's what that little 3 dots means, by the way. Our gradient is 5 and our y-intercept is 2. So that was a pretty straightforward one. We can get ones where we've got kind of numbers in both. So if I've got minus 2x minus 7y plus 4 equals 0 this time. So again, we're aiming towards y is equal to mx plus c. That's what we've got to do on each of these so that we can get our gradient and our y-intercept. So this time we've got our minus 2x, that's fine. We've got minus 7y, so the minus 7y is what we're going to have to deal with. So we're going to add 7y to both sides. So this is using our rules for solving equations. So we get minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 7y, which we can then kind of swap around. So we get 7y is equal to minus 2x plus 4. So now we've got 7y, so we need y equals mx plus c, not 7y. So we need to divide by 7. So we get minus 2 over 7x plus 4 over 7, giving us that, therefore, we can use the arrow instead of the 3 dots as well. So our gradient is minus 2 over 7, and our y-intercept is 4/7. Okay, so that's everything that you need to know for straight line for National 5 Maths.